Hello, Wendy here with READ, Reading and Educational Assistance for Dyslexia. Today I want to show you how I made really inexpensive chalkboards for students in a Handwriting Without Tears cursive class that I am teaching. Initially, I found these whiteboards here from the dollar store, from Dollar Tree for $1. And I tried to tape them off and paint them, but the surface on these chalkboards is pretty smooth, so the paint didn't stick. So I found a better method to get lines on this chalkboard so that the students have a chalkboard to write their letters on, their cursive letters. So as you can see, I have lines here from where the paint kind of left residual marks. But instead of using paint, I found these markers here at Joann Fabrics that I'm using. They are a pigment pen, I believe. Yes, a pigment pen. And they're metallic, and they do wonderful. So what I did is I measured up from the bottom 2 inches and then 1.5 inches, and I did my lines. So I'll show you here one that I finished. I did green for the bottom line to remind them that all letters have to stay on the ground, that gravity affects them and they have to sit on the ground. And then a blue line on top to represent the sky. So here I have my 2 lines that Handwriting Without Tears recommends you use when you're teaching print and cursive. I thought I'd just share that with you. Quick, easy way to get some Handwriting Without Tear chalkboards made for very inexpensively.